Hi students, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Take a silent prayer first before the class. 1 minute silent prayer. Okay, right. So yesterday നമ്മൾ എക്സസൈസിലെ question number 2 and question number 4 complete ചെയ്തു അല്ലേ നോക്കി. And at last we were discussing about the concept of zeros. Am I right? Okay, fine. So ഒന്ന് പറഞ്ഞേ, suppose we have a polynomial p of x is equal to x minus a into x minus b. Nazal.
Sir,
Suppose we have a polynomial p of x which is equal to x minus a into x minus b. In such a case, what all are the factors of the polynomial?
x plus
What all
a
are the
and x plus b.
Factors. P of x equal to x minus a into x minus b.
X plus a and x plus b.
X plus a ആണോടാ? P of x is equal to x minus a into x minus b. Factors ആയിരിക്കും പറയാൻ.
Sir, x minus a equal to 0. X
നമ്മൾ സീറോ ഫാക്ടേഴ്സ് ആയിരിക്കും ഡയറക്ട്ലി
alpha
ഫാക്ടേഴ്സ്
and beta.
അത് സീറോസ് അല്ലേ? ഫാക്ടേഴ്സ് ആയിരിക്കാം. P of x equal x minus a into x minus b ആണെങ്കിൽ ഫാക്ടേഴ്സ്.
Sir, a and b.
Who all are the factors?
Sir, a and b.
A and b അല്ലല്ലോ. അല്ല. Factors. അല്ല കേട്ടില്ല. സാബിത്.
Sir, x minus a, x minus b.
X minus and x minus b are the factors. P of x is equal to the product of two polynomials. Then x minus a and x minus b are the factors. They are called factors. Now here the zeros are which one? After zeros are
x equal to a and x equal to b.
x equal to a and x equal to b are the zeros. X equal to a and x equal to b are the zeros. Now converse part. That's what we will discuss it out. Suppose for a polynomial p of x. For a polynomial p of x, if x equal to a and x equal to b are factors, x equal to a and x equal to b are factors. If so, what is the Shayan? So x equal to a and x equal to b are zeros. I'm sorry. X equal to a and x equal to b are zeros. Then what will be the factors?
X minus a and x minus b.
X minus a and x minus b will be the factors. If these two are the zeros, then we have x minus a and x minus b are the factors. I hope the concept is clear for everyone. Clear or no? Clear. Now, suppose zeros are provided, just take the zero values to the left side. For a particular example, for a polynomial p of x, x equal to 2 and x equal to 3 are zeros. എന്നാണ് പ്രൊവൈഡ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നതെങ്കിൽ അവിടെ നമുക്ക് പറയാവുന്ന ഫാക്ടേഴ്സ് ആയിരിക്കും പെർട്ടിക്കുലർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ നൈഫ് മുഹമ്മദ് നൈഫ്.
Yes, sir.
X equal to 2 and x equal to 3 are the zeros. Then who all are the factors?
x minus 2 and x minus 3.
X minus 2 and x minus 3 are the factors. This is what we can write. X minus 2 and x minus 3 are the factors. Okay. So like this, we can find out the factors of a polynomial. And one more point that you should note down is below you, right? The number of zeros, the number of zeros of a polynomial the number of zeros of a polynomial is equal to the degree of the number of zeros of a polynomial is equal to the degree of the polynomial. Which means I am meaning it role. If we have P of x, if we have a polynomial P of x is equal to x square minus 8x plus 15. Okay. The polynomial degree tells me
2.
it's a second degree polynomial. Degree and degree Jacob degree and rule degree.
The polynomial the highest value.
Highest value means
Degree polynomial the highest degree.
Highest value highest
Power.
Power. That's what highest power. So here one the highest power 2 this is a second degree polynomial. Okay. According to the point that we have written right now, if a polynomial is of second degree, how many zeros will be there, Matthews?
Sir,
2 zeros.
2 zeros will be there. For this polynomial, there will be 2 zeros. Suppose we have another polynomial, say q of x equal to x raised to 5 minus 8x cube plus 2x plus 1. What is the degree of this polynomial, Jayashankar?
5.
It's a fifth degree polynomial. Okay. If so, Mohammad Yasin, how many zeros will be there? How many zeros will be there for this polynomial q of x? 2 Allah. 2 Allah. A point on not of 2 Allah. Diya Khadija?
5.
5 zeros will be there. Whatever be the degree of the polynomial will have that zeros. The first polynomial that I have written has degree 2 and hence it will have 2 zeros. If we have a polynomial of degree 3, it will have 3 zeros. If we have a polynomial of degree 4, it will have 4 zeros. You get me, everyone? Okay, so this is how we will find out the number of zeros. Suppose I'm going to example. There is a polynomial, say some g of x. Okay, g of x. Sorry. G of x is equal to x raised to 4. So, example, g of x equal to x raised to 4 minus 16. Okay. What is the degree of this polynomial, Gurian?
4.
It's a fourth degree polynomial. Given that 2 zeros of the polynomial are, listen carefully, given that 2 zeros of the polynomial are 2 and minus 2. Okay, the fourth degree polynomial 2 and minus 2 are zeros of P of X. And the question is, find the remaining zeros. Find the remaining zeros. I hope the question is clear. A polynomial is given x raised to 4 minus 16. Zeros of the polynomial are 2 and minus 2. You should find the remaining zeros. Okay. The remaining zeros are rainbow. My question is, how many zeros will be the remaining? Arif, how many zeros will be the remaining?
0.
Zeros in the remaining illa? No zeros?
4 degree.
Fourth degree of metro zeros no total.
4 zeros.
4 zeros. Etra vare pamu thannittund.
4 zeros ഉണ്ടാവും sir.
4 zeros are there for the given polynomial because its degree is 4. And how many zeros are provided right now, Arif?
2 and minus 2.
2 and minus 2. Only 2 zeros are provided. Am I right? So how many zeros are the remaining? Zera?
2.
Zera. 2 more zeros are remaining. So find the remaining zeros means we should find 2 more zeros. അത് എങ്ങനെ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാനുള്ള വഴി പറയാട്ടോ. പക്ഷെ നമ്പർ മാത്രം കണക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നേ ഉള്ളൂ. Since its degree is 4, 4 zeros will be there in total. Question, it is only 2 zeros provided, 2 and minus 2. So there are 2 more zeros that we should find out. Clear ayo? What I mean? Everyone? Clear? Okay. So just note down in your own words regarding the number of zeros. A polynomial has this and this degrees. Then the number of zeros will be like this. Not fast. Speed note here, eh? Just ask if there's any doubt. This number of zeros മാത്രമേ connect ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളൂ. വേറൊന്നുമില്ല. This number of zeros only. Okay, right? Shall we continue? Fine. Below you just write an example. And the example. Below x equal to 1, x equal to 1 is a 0, x equal to 1 is a 0 of the polynomial x cube plus 7x square plus 7x minus 50. X cube plus 7x square plus 7x minus 50. Makes sense? Find the remaining zeros of the polynomial. Find the remaining zeros of the polynomial. Find the remaining zeros of the polynomial. So here we can consider P of x is equal to x cube plus 7x square plus 7x minus 15. The first thing that you should identify is, listen carefully, first thing you should identify is how many zeros will be there in total. Fatima, how many zeros will be there, Fatima Walker?
3.
3 zeros will be there. And how many are given right now? How many are given right now, Don? Don Basil?
Sir, I didn't understand that portion.
And how many zeros are there for the polynomial?
Sir, I joined in 610.
Okay, Faisal, how many zeros are there?
Sir, 3 zeros.
3 zeros. And how many are provided?
2.
2 zeros are provided. Which are they?
The 1.
Only one is provided. So how many we should calculate or how many we should find out?
2.
2 more we should find out. Is it clear, everyone? 2 more zeros should be calculated from the given question. I hope it's clear for everyone. Sometimes a 4th degree polynomial will be provided. We have to find some zeros will be provided. We have to find the remaining zeros. Okay. Here what we will do first is, from the given zeros, we can write the factors. If zeros is provided, we can easily write the factors. We already discussed the method above. So what will be the factor amount here? Factor of P of x. Factorization like ഒന്നും പോകണ്ട. ഞാൻ ചോദിച്ചത് x equal to 1 0 ആണെങ്കിൽ factor ആരായിരിക്കും?
-1.
X minus 1. Factor of P of x is x minus 1. Okay. Now let me ask one thing. Listen carefully. Now let me ask one thing. Ryan, if x minus 1 is a factor of P of x, what will be the remainder obtained on dividing P of x with x minus 1? That we discussed yesterday. If x minus 1 is a factor, then what will be the remainder obtained on dividing polynomial with x minus 1?
Sir, ഞാൻ മറന്നുപോയി.
പഠിച്ചിട്ടില്ല. Tara?
0.
The remainder will be 0. If a given term is a factor, we can perfectly divide. There will be no remainder existing. Ini numbers in the exam ni aru idea no connect cheyado. Suppose we are considering the number, simple example 36. Okay. I am dividing 36 with 9. On dividing 36 with 9, quotient will be 4 and the remainder will be 0. Okay. So we can write 36 is equal to 9 into 4. Clear, everyone? Now, from the question provided, we have 9 is a factor of 36. 9 is a factor of 36, no doubt, I think. What about this 4, Nilofer? What about this 4? Is it a factor of 36?
No.
No, 4 is not a factor. 36 is equal to 9 into 4. 9 is a factor of 36. What about 4?
Factor.
4 is a factor. Ano, Rasmi? What about 4?
Yes, factor.
4 is also a factor, no doubts. Clearly, everyone. 9 and 4 both are factors. In another example, suppose we have 24, which is equal to 8 into 3. 24 equal to. What about 8? Is it a factor of 24? Okay. What about 3, Michelle? What about 3?
Sir, yes.
3 is also a factor, no doubt. Polynomial connect. Suppose I have a polynomial P of x. This polynomial is equal to some g of x into q of x. Remainder is 0. Okay, there is no remainder. Remainder 0 എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞ category പെടും. In such a case, Marina, is g of x a factor of p of x?
Sir.
Yes. Is q of x a factor of p of x?
Yes, sir.
Absolutely. These two, both of them will be factors. Both g of x and q of x will be factors of p of x. Both are factors. Read it down, everyone. Okay, so what we will do is, so this is a dot of p of x is x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. We divide p of x with x minus 1. Just listen. On dividing, and long division, I'm just writing the answer. X cube plus 7x square plus 7x minus 15. On dividing with x minus 1, we will obtain x square plus 8x plus 15. On dividing, p of x divided by x minus 1 will be x square plus 8x plus 15. Like what we said, 36 divided by 9 gives 4 in that manner. Okay, since the answer obtained is x square plus 8x plus 15, we can say that x square plus 8x plus 15 is also a factor of p of x. It's also a factor of p of x. Okay. Now, what we will conclude is x square plus 8x plus 15 is equal to x plus 3 into x plus 8. Sorry, x plus 5. Okay. So all together what we get, x cube plus 7x square plus 7x minus 15 is equal to x minus 1 into x square plus 8x plus 15. Again, x square plus 8x plus 15 can be written as x minus 1 into x plus 3 into x plus 5. From this, we can conclude that x equal to 1, x equal to minus 3, and x equal to minus 5 are the zeros of p of x. And now, this is how we will find out the zeros of higher degree polynomials. If we know one of the factor, we will divide the polynomial with that factor. There we get another factor. We will factorize the new obtained answer. Again, we will get small factors. From that, we can find all the zeros. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, just note down the example so that we can clarify the doubts. Below, we have already written up to factor of p of x is x minus 1. Here, factor of p of x is x minus 1. Written? Okay, then next step, p of x is equal to some g of x into x minus 1. Factor of, we can write it like this. X cube plus 7x square plus 7x minus 15 is equal to g of x into x minus 1. X cube plus 7x square plus 7x minus 15 divided by x minus 1 is equal to g of x. Division answer is load off. The answer will be x square plus 8x plus 15. Just note down how the answer is obtained. It is by long division or by using division algorithm. Now x square plus 8x plus 15 is equal to x plus 3 into x plus 5. This is direct. It is obtained by factorization. It's obtained by the method of factorization. So we have p of x is equal to g of x into x minus 1. That is equal to g of x is x square plus 8x plus 15 into x minus 1. That is x plus 3 into x plus 5 into x minus 1. So for x equal minus 3, minus 5, and 1. Each factor നമുക്ക് zeros കൊടുക്കാം. Are the zeros of P of X. And now you can ask if there is any doubt. We will extend the same idea into fourth degree also. No? We get the idea of fourth degree like we will extend it. Ask if there is any doubt. Anyone, any doubt, just ask. Clear or not? So let's try one more example. നമുക്ക് ആവശ്യമുള്ള അടുത്തൊരു main example ആണ്. ഇതിനേക്കാൾ exerciseലും example നമുക്കുള്ളത് the next example ആണ്. Below you write. If 2 and minus 2, if 2 and minus 2 are the zeros of the polynomial, x raised to 4 plus 7x cube plus 8x square minus 28x minus 14. Comma, find the remaining zeros. Find the remaining zeros. Okay. So let me tell you how we will start. നമുക്ക് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് which are the zeros? കാർത്തിക, zeros ആയിരിക്കും നമുക്ക് പ്രൊവൈഡ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്.
2 and negative 2.
2 and negative 2 are the zeros provided. Okay. In such a case, first we will write the factors. And then steps first we will write the factors. Jayashankar, which all will be the factors?
X minus 2 and x plus 2.
X equal to 2 and x equal to minus 2 are the zeros. According to the question, these are the zeros of the polynomial. If so, we can write x minus 2 and minus 2 and come to left side become x plus 2 are the factors of P of x. Are the factors of P of x. Is it okay for everyone? Then what we'll do is, we will write E of x is equal to, if we know the factors, x minus 2 is one of the factor, x plus 2 is the next factor. If we have 2 factors, 2 factors and zeros, how many will be remaining? Khadija, how many zeros and factors will be remaining? 2 more zeros or 2 more factors are remaining. We will consider it together as g of x. We can write polynomial as x minus 2 into x plus 2 into some g of x. Which means the polynomial will be x minus 2 into x plus 2 become x square minus 4. Multiplication through load up. Separate number multiply x minus 2 into x plus 2. Either we can use identity or we can multiply term by term. X square plus 2x minus 2x minus 4. 2x and minus 2x get cancelled, remaining x minus 4. So x minus 4 into g of x, which means g of x is equal to P of x divided by x square minus 4. Clear? We will calculate the g of x by long division. That is equal to, we have, which is equal to, our P of x is x cube plus, so x raised to 4 plus 7x cube plus 8x square minus 28x minus 48 divided by x square minus 4. That we will calculate by our normal long division method. X raised to 4 plus 7x cube plus 8x square minus 28x minus 48 divided by x square minus 4. നമ്മൾ സ്റ്റാൻഡേർഡൈസ് ചെയ്യേണ്ട കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ ഉണ്ട് കേട്ടോ. ഓൾ ദിസ് നമ്മൾ ഇതിനു മുന്നേ പഠിച്ച എല്ലാ കാര്യങ്ങളോടും ആപ്ലിക്കബിൾ ആണ്, അതിനൊന്നും മാറ്റമില്ല കേട്ടോ. ഓക്കെ, ഈ ലോങ് ഡിവിഷനിൽ the answer obtained will be, അതിലേക്കാണ് ഫോക്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. The answer obtained will be x square plus 7x plus 12. On division, you will get x square plus 7x plus 12. That will be the answer. Okay. So we have g of x is equal to x square plus 7x plus 12. Now we will factorize this one. നമ്മൾ ഈ കിട്ടിയ പോളിനോമിയൽ ഫാക്ടറൈസ് ചെയ്യും. x square plus 7x plus 12 ഫാക്ടറൈസ് നോക്കി പെട്ടെന്ന് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പറയാവുന്നേ ഉള്ളൂ. x square plus 7x plus 12. The answer of factorization is very simple. You can easily find out. പെട്ടെന്ന് കിട്ടുമല്ലോ. x square plus 7x plus 12. ഇല്ല കിട്ടിയില്ലേ? അജയ് തോമസ്.
സാർ അങ്ങനെ ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ട് സാർ.
അല്ല, x square plus 7x plus 12 ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ടോ?
അത് അങ്ങോട്ട് വരുന്നേ ഉള്ളൂ, അത് ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ട്.
ഇറ്റ്സ് ഓക്കെ. ഞാൻ ചോദിച്ചത് ഈ x square plus 7x plus 12നെ നമുക്ക് എങ്ങനെ ഫാക്ടറൈസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും? ആ ഒരു ടൈമിന് മാത്രം
ചെയ്യാം സാർ.
ഫസ്റ്റ് അവിടെ സ്വപ്ന, x square plus 7x plus 12.
സാർ ചെയ്തോണ്ടിരിക്കുക.
സ്പീഡ് ആവട്ടെ, പ്രാക്ടീസ് ഒക്കെ വളരെ സിമ്പിൾ സംഗതി അല്ലേ ഈ ടൈമിന്റെ ഒക്കെ. ഫാത്തിമ വോഗർ ഫസ്റ്റ് ആവട്ടെ. വിഷ്ണു
സാർ ചെയ്തോണ്ടിരിക്കുക.
everyone make it fast. നസൽ കിട്ടിയോ?
Sir, x plus 3 into x plus 4.
Very good. X plus 3 into x plus 4. All together എന്തായി നോക്കി? Our polynomial p of x can be written as, ഇതാണ് p of x കേട്ടോ, ഒറിജിനൽ. x minus 2 into x plus 2 into g of x is now x plus 3 into x plus 4. Therefore, p of x equal to 0. We have p of x is equal to 0 means each of them will be 0. X minus 2 will be 0, or x plus 2 will be 0, or x plus 3 will be 0, or x plus 4 will be 0. That means x equal to 2, minus 2, minus 3, and minus 4 are the zeros of p of x. Like this we can find the zeros. Only two of the zeros are provided in the question itself. ഈ രണ്ടുപേരും ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ തന്നിട്ടുള്ളതാണ്. സോ നമ്മൾ ആ രണ്ടുപേരും ഇനി പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് മെൻഷൻ ചെയ്താൽ കുഴപ്പമില്ല. These two are provided in the question. The new two zeros are negative 3 and negative. This is how we will calculate the zeros of a polynomial. Now you can ask all your doubts.
സാർ
ആ
സാർ p of x is equal to x square minus 4, അത് ഐഡന്റിറ്റി വെച്ച് ചെയ്യാൻ പാടില്ല.
അതാ ഞാൻ പറയാം, നിങ്ങളുടെ ചോയ്സാ. either you can multiply directly or you can apply the identity. അത് നിങ്ങളുടെ ചോയ്സാ. both ways are correct. You should identify the track. നമ്മുടെ ആദ്യം P of എന്താ പറയാ factors എടുത്ത് എഴുതി. Then the polynomial is equal to factors into the new polynomial g of x. That g of x we should calculate. So g of x equal to take the factors to left side to become division. By applying the long division method, we can find the g of x. On factorizing g of x, we can find the zeros. And the method. What you should identify is the method that we are using to solve the problem. Shall we try another one? Okay, not down fast. Not down fast. After that, let's move on to another question. Okay, shall we? Write the question. Find all zeros of the polynomial 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. If
Sir, minus 3x cube on second.
minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. If root 2 and minus root 2. If root 2 and minus root 2 are the zeros of p of x. Sorry, are the zeros of polynomial. Are the zeros of the polynomial. റൂട്ട് കണ്ടിട്ട് എന്താ പറയാ സ്ട്രേഞ്ച് സംഗതിയായിട്ട് ഫീൽ ചെയ്യണ്ടാട്ടോ. നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ച അതേ മെത്തേഡിൽ പ്രൊസീഡ് ചെയ്യും. റൂട്ടൊക്കെ വെൻ വി മൂവ് ഫോർവേഡ് ഓൺ മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ അവനൊക്കെ ഒഴിവാക്കിയിട്ട് you start the procedure. Everyone, write yourself. First what we should write, then what we should write, like that. What you will write first? Agash, what you will write first?
Sir, x root 2 and x root minus 2 are the zeros of the polynomial.
X equal to root 2. X root 2 x equal to root 2 and x equal to minus root 2 are the zeros of p of x. So what we can write next? Agash, continue.
X minus 2, x root 2 and x minus root 2, x plus x root 2 are the factors.
X minus root 2 and x plus root 2 are the factors of p of x. So we can write p of x equal to, how we can write p of x on the burning, how we can write p of x, Muhammad Yasin? We can write p of x equal to, where? Muhammad Yasin. Yasin, x minus root and x plus root 2 are zeros. എങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് എങ്ങനെ polynomial എഴുതാം? ട്രൈ ചെയ്തേ, മോളുടെ കേസ് ആലോചിച്ച് ട്രൈ ചെയ്തേ വേഗം. നിങ്ങളല്ല പെട്ടെന്ന് ട്രൈ ചെയ്തേ. What will be the next step that we can write on the Parnegakata Sandra?
P of x is equal to minus root 2 into, sorry, P of x is equal to x minus root 2 into x plus root 2 into g of x.
X minus root 2 into x plus root 2 into g of x. Root 2 into a pressure, here at the step clear out of. That issue with the root 2 will be solved in this particular step. Now multiply my root 2 pressure. So that we can find g of x, and on factorizing g of x, we will get the new zeros. Similarly, pattern simple. If you get the pattern, it's very easy.
Sir, one doubt.
X
into x square root. P of x is equal to x minus root 2x plus root 2. X square minus 2 plus 2
multiply the multiply, don't worry. What is obtained on the multiplication, Sapna?
X square minus
X square minus
root 2.
X square minus root 2. There is a mistake. X minus root 2 into x plus root 2.
4.
4. Well, what is obtained, Mohammed Naif, on multiplying?
Sir, x square minus 4.
X square minus 4. Check it. Amal Mohammed.
Sir.
What is obtained on multiplying x minus root 2 and x plus root 2? Multiply the line, Amal. Simple. Chumma time by time multiply. Lamia.
Sir, x minus root 2.
Multiply x minus root 2 into x plus root 2.
X minus root 2.
Term by term. You should multiply term by term. Michelle, 1 second. 1 second, Michelle. Don't basically get down. Term by term multiply x minus root 2 into x plus root 2.
No, sir.
Hey, what's that much complicated in that? This time go a term and multiply. Don't know the multiply term by term. No rainbow. On the don't.
Sir, x minus root 2 into x plus root 2
equal to, first what all terms we should multiply?
x.
X and x.
X
and x. Then we should multiply x and root 2. Then minus root 2 and x. Then minus root 2 and root 2. Term by term we should multiply each term with each other. So we get x into x become x square. X into root 2 becomes root 2x. Minus root 2 into x becomes minus root 2x. At last we have minus root 2 into plus root 2. Yesterday we discussed about this. Minus root 2 into plus root 2. And then minus root 2 into plus root 2. Nilofer.
X root 2x minus.
Here term minus root 2 into root 2 will be what?
Minus root 4.
Root 4. തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും root 4 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 2 തന്നെ അല്ലേ? അതായത് ഇന്നലെ നമ്മൾ ചെയ്താണ് root 5 into root 5 equal to 5 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മൾ ചെയ്താണ് എക്സസൈസിൽ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമ്മൾ ചെയ്ത. So root 2 into root 2 root get cancelled, it become negative 2. Here root 2x and minus root 2x get cancelled and remaining will be x square minus 2. Or you can directly apply the identity. X minus a into x plus a. This is of the form x minus a into x plus a, which is equal to x square minus a square. A square minus b square form. Then also you will directly get x square minus 2. Both the ways are correct. If you remember the identity, we can directly apply. So we get p of x is equal to x square minus 2 into g of x, which means our g of x will be p of x divided by x square minus 2. That is this one, 2x raised to 4 plus 3x cube minus 3x square, etc., whatever it may be, divided by x square minus 2. That we should divide by long division method. Have maximum 3 more minutes. Apply long division method and find what is 0. Apply the normal long division method and find the value of g of x. Try it fast, everyone. In order to complete the division, you will have 30 seconds more. System divided by x square minus 2, we should convert into standard formula for division. And the convert Mishal.
Sir,
The divisor when converted into standard form becomes what? X square. X square minus 2 then number.
x square
Square. Every time missing time
first term
x square bigger.
സാർ ഞാൻ അവിടെ എത്തിയിട്ടില്ല സാർ.
വേഗം പറയാം അവിടെ എത്തിയിട്ടെന്ന് പറയാൻ പറ്റില്ല. ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു നിങ്ങൾ എന്റെ മുമ്പിൽ ഓടണം, പുറകിലാവരുത്. നിങ്ങൾ പുറകിൽ പ്രോബ്ലം ചെയ്തു വന്നാൽ എത്തില്ല. അല്ലെന്ന് മൈക്ക് ഇഷ്യൂ ആണല്ലോ. എനിക്ക് കേൾക്കുന്നില്ല. അല്ല എക്സിറ്റ് ആയിട്ട് ഒന്ന് റീജോയിൻ ചെയ്ത് നോക്കി.
Yes, sir.
How we should standardize the divisor?
X square plus 0x minus 2.
X square plus 0x minus 2. What's the first question, Kurian? First question.
x square.
X square will be the first question. X square alloda. Onnoda noki.
2x square.
2x square. 2x square will be the first question. On multiplying, we get 2x raised to 4, 0x cube minus 4x square. Right? On subtracting, Sadia, on subtracting, what is obtained?
Sir, minus 3x cube minus 1x square
Plus 1x square അല്ലേ ഒന്നുകൂടെ നോക്കി. Minus 3x square minus 4x square അല്ലേ?
Yes, plus 1x.
Plus x square
X
plus
minus
6 minus 2. What is the next quotient, Sabit? Next quotient?
3x.
3x. 3x will be the next quotient. On multiplying, we get minus 3x square. Sorry, minus 3x cube. 0x square plus 6x. And on subtraction, what will be obtained? On subtraction, Aman Shahir?
X square plus
X
0x
square plus 0x minus 2. Next quotient will be plus 1. Here we get x square plus 0x minus 2 altogether 0. Which means g of x is 2x square minus 3x plus 1. I hope you got it. Now, if g of x is obtained, what is our next step, Ryan? Once g of x is obtained, what we should do next? Shayan?
Factorization.
We should factorize. G of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 1. That is equal. We should apply the method of factorization. Okay, let me say one thing. During that factorization, we know how to factorize. Now, one more question. Even a factorize, the answer obtained will be 2x minus 1 and x minus 1. On factorizing, you will get 2x minus 1 and x minus 1. And directly, method, normal method, the sum will be minus 3. Product will be q. The number suitable for that is negative 2 and negative 1. Negative 2 and negative 1. By splitting the middle term and taking common, we will get these two as the factors. Now we can complete 2 more minutes maximum. We can convert p of x by using the first expression. X minus root 2 into x plus root 2 into what all things you just think about it. From that, we can write the zeros. It will give you maximum 2 more minutes to complete. അത്യാവശ്യം നല്ല ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആണ്. എക്സാമിന് ഇൻ കേസ് എക്സാമിന് ചോദിച്ചാൽ 4 മാർക്കിന്റെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആയിരിക്കും. സോ അതിലെ the method by which we are solving it, that is what you should focus on. What we can write there, Barney? What we can write there? Alna?
X plus root 2 into x minus root 2 into 2x plus 1 into x plus 1.
2x minus 1 alle?
2x minus 1.
2x minus 1 into x minus 1 instead of this g of x. For this g of x, we can substitute. Without use the equation, first equation. We can put g of x as 2x minus 1 into x minus 1. So from that, we can find the zeros. Zeros are given new zeros. Already, minus root 2 and plus root 2. So it is enough to find the new zeros. 2x minus 1 equal to 0 gives 2x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 2. X minus 1 equal to 0 is direct, means x is equal to 1. Therefore, remaining zeros of P of x are 1 by 2 and 1. 2 zeros were provided in the question. We calculated 2 more zeros. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് commonly zeros of the polynomial are minus root 2, 1 by 2 and 1. അങ്ങനെ 4 വരെ വേണമെങ്കിൽ അങ്ങനെ എഴുതാം. That's up to you. It's your choice. ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു അതിന്റെ method, how we are solving എന്നുള്ളതാണ് നിങ്ങൾ അറിഞ്ഞിരിക്കേണ്ടത് കേട്ടോ. So the method is very simple. First, we will write the polynomial P of x as given factors into. കണ്ടില്ലേ? First of all, we will find out the factors. From the zeros, we write the factors. Then we will write the polynomial as factors into g of x. Factors into g of x. Then we will multiply the two factors, divide it, and find g of x. Once g of x is obtained, on factorizing g of x, we can find the new zeros. Find the procedure. Okay, everyone. Right. So switch off your videos. Stand up, have a stretch. Just have a sip of tea fast. Without wasting time. Pettannu, everyone. Everyone. Fast. Okay. Student videos. Mega. Okay, right. So let us move on to the question in our textbook exercise. Everyone. Question number 3. Question number 3 in textbook exercise. First. Try the third question in textbook exercise. So do number you will see that it is a little bit difficult, but you just start. We are just untying a knot. It is very difficult, but when we start untying, like that we should untie. In that manner, we should untie the question. Just proceed in the normal method. The normal method proceed. What is given, what we can write first, then second, then third, like that. You just proceed in our normal way. If you are stuck in some step, I will help. Don't worry. But you should try. Minimum you should try. Now to write the basic steps, you have 2 more minutes. Basic കാര്യങ്ങൾ എഴുതി our g of x വരെയൊക്കെ എത്താൻ 2 more minutes maximum. ഇത് മുന്നോട്ട് പോകോട്ടോ. Proceed. Don't waste your time. One more minute. Thirty seconds to write the basic steps. 30 seconds more to write the basic steps. Okay, right, Girgaran, what are the basic steps that we can write in here? From the question.
Sir, x equal to root 5 by 3, x equal to
root 5 by 3.
X equal to negative root 5 by 3 are the zeros of Px.
And x equal to minus root 5 by 3. Minus root 5 by 3 are the zeros. Okay, then. ഒറ്റ സ്റ്റെപ്പ് എഴുതിയോളൂ 2-3 മിനിറ്റില്. പോരല്ലോ ഈ ടൈം പോരല്ലോ. നെറ്റ് കട്ടാവുന്ന ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ തമ്മിൽ ബന്ധം. നെറ്റ് കട്ടാവുന്ന ക്ലാസ്സിലേ കട്ടാവുള്ളൂ. പ്രോബ്ലം ചെയ്യാതൊരു പ്രശ്നമല്ലല്ലോ. You have the question, you can write. Next step എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് for what we can write?
X minus root 5 by 3, x plus root 5 by 3.
X minus root 5 by 3 and x plus root 5 by 3.
P of x is equal to x minus root 5 by 3. X plus root 5 by 3 into g of x.
Into g of x, which means these two are factors. Steps correct. You should write the steps. We have P of x is equal to x minus root 5 by 3 into x plus root 5 by 3 into g of x. Now we should multiply it separately. Maybe fraction again, mind proceed. Let it be there. Proceed it in the same way we studied. X minus root 5 by 3 into x plus root 5 by 3. What is the opinion on multiplication of the?
X square minus 5 by 3.
X square minus 5 by 3 will be obtained. If we multiply these two, it will be like this. Either term by term or by using identity. But term by term meaning x into x. X square, x into 5 by 3. X root 5 by 3 minus root 5 by 3 into x. X first or second root 5 by 3 x root 5 by 3 into root 5 by 3 root get cancelled 5 by 3. These two terms get cancelled each other and we will have x square minus 5 by 3. But it is easier if you know the identity a plus b to a minus b. That's easy. A square minus b square directly we can write. So all together the question becomes p of x is equal to x minus 5 by 3. X minus 5 by 3 into g of x. X minus 5 by 3 into g of x. So what we can write about g of x, Ryan? G of x can be written as?
Sir, P of x by x square minus 5 by 3.
P of x divided by
X square
x
minus
square
5 by 3.
minus 5 by 3. Standard formula P of x is 3x raised to 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 divided by. Divisor on standard form will be what? Divisor in standard form, Matthews?
Sir, x square plus 0x minus 5 by 3.
X square plus 0x minus 5 by 3. There you should apply the long division method and find g of x. Apply the long division method and find what is g of x.
Sir, instead of 5 by 3, we can use 3x square plus 0x minus 5 by
3x square minus 0x, 3x square plus 0x minus
5.
Mistake illa. So, confusion.
Okay.
Even if you use 5 by 3, you will get the same answer. No? Division mistake. Final answer we should once again divide with 3. Apply the long division method and find the answer. 2 minutes for the division fast. Three x raised to 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 divided by x square plus 0x minus 5. If division is completed and g of x is obtained, we can factorize the g of x and find the new zeros. If the question is completed, you can move to question number 5 now. 1 more minute to complete the division. What's the first question on the first question?
X square.
3x square. First question will be 3x square. 3x raised to 4 divided by x square gives 3x square. Even though there is negative 5 by 3 doesn't matter. There are multiply both that 3 get cancelled. I hope you got it. When we multiply the quotient with the divisor. Nazal, what's up to multiplying the quotient with the divisor?
3x raised to 4 plus 0x cube plus minus 5.
Minus 5?
Minus 5 by 3.
Minus 5 by 3 into 3x square minus 5x square.
Minus 5 by 3x square.
Multiply on term by term multiplication minus x square plus 0x minus 5 by 3 into 3x square. 3x square into x square becomes 3x raised to 4. 3x square into 0x becomes 0x cube. 3x square into minus 5 by 3. 3x square into minus 5 by 3. 3 and 3 get cancelled. Minus 5x square will be obtained. On subtraction, Zara, on subtraction, what is obtained? On subtraction, Zaranas? First out, Vishal Barno.
Sir, നമ്മള് 3 into 0x ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും അവിടെ 0
ആണ് വരുന്നത് തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും. ശരിയാണ്, ഒരു സംശയം വേണ്ട, 0 തന്നെ. What is obtained on the subtraction? ഒന്ന് പറഞ്ഞേ Safna, on subtracting.
ഞാനത് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുക.
ഈ സബ്ട്രാക്ഷൻ ആണ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. എന്നാ പറഞ്ഞു, എന്റെ ഒപ്പം പറഞ്ഞു എന്താ കിട്ടുക എന്നുള്ളത്. 3x raised to 4 minus 3x raised to 4.
0.
6x cube minus 0x cube.
6.
6 only?
6x cube.
The next one. Minus 2x square minus 5x square.
7x.
Try നോക്കിയോടെ, വേണ്ട try ചെയ്ത്. As I said earlier, നിങ്ങൾ എന്റെ പുറകിലാവരുത്. ഒരു കാരണവശാലും പ്രോബ്ലം ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ എന്റെ പുറകിൽ പോകരുത്. You should run in front of me. ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളുടെ പുറകെ വന്നോളാം. എന്റെ മുമ്പിൽ ഓടണം, നിർബന്ധമായിട്ട് എന്റെ മുമ്പിൽ ഓടണം. ഗ്രിഗർ എവിടെ എത്തി? ഗ്രിഗർ
സാർ അവിടെ
ഗ്രിഗർ എവിടെ എത്തി?
ഞാൻ ഈ ഡിവിഷന്റെ ഇവിടെ ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുക.
നിങ്ങൾ കൈവച്ച് മറിച്ചേക്കുന്ന ക്യാമറ
അത് എനിക്ക് ബ്ലാക്ക് ബോർഡ് നേരെ ആക്കാനാ.
വിശാൽ ചോദിച്ചോ? വിശാൽ
സാർ ഈ -2x square -5x അവിടെ 7x ആണോ?
അല്ലല്ലോ, അവിടെ നിങ്ങൾ ഒരാളെ അവിടെ നിങ്ങൾ
3x.
അത് കറക്റ്റ്.
3x square.
That's right. When we subtract -2x square, സപ്ന കിട്ടിയായിരുന്നോ? 3x square എന്ന് കിട്ടിയോ സപ്ന?
Yes, sir.
It will become -2x square plus 5x square, which is 3x square.
സാർ അടുത്ത ഏത് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ചെയ്യണ്ടേ?
Fifth one in exercise. What is the next quotient on the Barney? Next quotient, Mohammed Fawaz. Sorry? 6x will be the next quotient. On multiplying 6x throughout, we get 6x cube, 0x square. Next time in the Fawaz, I don't know. Cos 6x cube plus 0x square
minus 5
minus
10.
Minus 10x. On subtracting, we get 3x square plus 0x minus 5. And what will be the last quotient in this case, dear Khadija? The last quotient?
3.
3. Very good. 3 will be the last quotient. On multiplying with 3, we get 3x square plus 0x minus 5, 0. I hope you got it, everyone. It is now. Fine.
Sir,
നമ്മുടെ
ആ 10x കിട്ടിയില്ലേ മൈനസ് 10x ഒന്ന് ഡിഫൈൻ ചെയ്ത് തരുമോ?
Minus 10x കിട്ടിയത് we have to apply the multiplication. ഏതൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യാൻ നോക്കി? We should multiply 6x and minus 5/3. അല്ലേ? അതല്ലേ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യണ്ടേ?
Yes.
On multiplying 6x and minus 5/3, 3 and 6 get cancelled. It becomes 2. 2 into minus 5 minus 10. So now we have g of x equal to 3x square plus 6x plus 3. We should factorize. Shall we factorize the vegam, everyone? Shall I change the division part? Division part shall I? Okay.
Sir, next question.
Fifth one in that exercise. Fifth one. G of x equal 3x square plus 6x plus 3. Should apply factorization and find out the factors. By applying splitting the middle term, we can find the factors. What should be the sum and product in this case? Sum and product, let me ask Vishnu. Sum and product.
Sum and product 3 and 3.
Sum product
Sum middle term 6 and
sum should be 9. Sorry, sum should be 6 and product should be
9.
9. Sum should be 6 and product should be 9. What are the possible numbers for that? That is what we should think.
Fifth question.
Fifth question? Textbook fifth question board complete when practice in the gate
Factors
3x square plus 6x plus 3 factors G of x in the factors are polynomial zeros are
G of x in the P of x by
G of x in the question and ultimately concluding the question.
obtain all the zeros.
Obtain all the zeros. Zeros will be P of x in there.
P of x in the
question number 5
x square minus
zeros 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 obtain question number 5 non-basic factors how we can factorize?
Sir, 3x plus 3 and x plus
x plus
3x plus 3.
3x plus 3
X plus 3.
X plus 3 alla. X plus which are the numbers satisfying down? The numbers satisfying the condition?
3 and 3.
3 and 3. So we can split the middle term as 3x square plus 3x plus 3x plus 3. Complete 3. From the first two, we can take 3x common, right?
Yes, sir.
3x into x plus 1. Next to what we can take common?
3x into x plus 1. X and 3.
3 can be taken common. 3 into x plus 1. So we get g of x is equal to x plus 1 into 3x plus 3. Now we can substitute in the equation 1. We get p of x is equal to x minus root 5 by 3 x plus root 5 by 3 x plus 1 into 3x plus 1. That's what we can write. Into 3x plus 3. Now we can put it to zeros and find the factors.
Sir, that's factors, sir. Zeros.
Sorry, we can find the zeros from these factors. These two already simplified. These two already given. Next two simplify. X plus 1 equal to 0 means 3x plus 3 equal to 0 means what we get from x plus 1 equal to 0? Aradi B.
-1.
X equal to -1. Similarly, next one first. What's the next one up in Arif? Arif Aziz?
Sir. 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 3 by 3 is equal to -1.
-1. Both the zeros are negative one. Lie. Nothing to do. Just write it. Therefore, zeros of p of x are minus root 5 by 3, comma, root 5 by 3, comma, -1 and -1. Again, remaining zeros of p of x are -1 and -1. Anyway, you can complete it. Yes. We should write both of them. Engile motham 4 zeros varu. Fourth power alle polynomial, fourth degree polynomial alle. You will have 4 zeros. Appo rendu vere edutharam -1 and -1. Even though both are same, we should take. Important question repeatedly board exam question 4 mark compulsory or 4 mark. Lower mark 4 mark is very sure. Because of the steps, a lot of steps are there. Here we are applying the concept of zero, applying the concept of factor, applying the division algorithm, everything. Okay, everyone? Fine. Last question is just for an understanding though. Important give examples of polynomials. According to division algorithm, just listen. Everyone complete it. Okay, if so, the last question. Give example of polynomial p of x, g of x, q of x, and r of x, which is satisfied the division algorithm and the given so and so conditions. Let me ask normally p of x in A by using g of x, q of x, and r of x. by using g of x, q of x, and r of x?
G of x is equal to
P of x is equal to g of x
into q of x
into q of x
plus r of x.
Plus r of x. Okay. The first question we have to find example such that degree of p of x and degree of q of x are equal. വളരെ എളുപ്പമാണ്. Suppose x square plus 8x plus 16 is equal to അല്ലെങ്കിൽ degree of p of x and q of x should be same. We can take x square minus 2x square minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 3 into x square minus 2x plus 3. Only q of x and p of x are second degree. Here the remainder will be 0. Second example, degree of q of x and degree of r of x must be same. Degree of the quotient and degree of remainder must be same. Third one, degree of r of x should be 0, which means r of x should be a constant. All these are there. Divisions by applying division algorithm. When we look into those questions, you will get examples for each type. I'm not wasting time behind that. Okay. So let me conclude what we discussed in this chapter. Chapter 2. Actually, for chapter 2, we nearly 2 weeks. Okay. 2 weeks completed the reason a lot of basic ideas were missing because of the 2 years COVID pandemic. COVID pandemic and 2 years issues a basic idea regarding addition, regarding subtraction, regarding multiplication, regarding the simplification of fraction, regarding the fundamental identities, regarding variables, ideas are missing. Okay. So in order to make our foundation perfect, we have taken a lot of time. Okay, but the meaning, chapters, it will not take this much. 2 weeks, nearly 16 hours. In order to complete the chapter polynomial, normally 8 to 10 hours maximum. But why more time is taken is because to clear that gap between your fundamental ideas. Whatever idea. Munala chapters time consume. Also, let me brief the chapter. The first concept we discussed is how we can find exercise point of view. How we can find number of zeros from graph. Second point we discussed was about the method of factorization of a second degree polynomial. Factorization of quadratic polynomial. Third one we discussed is about relation between zeros and coefficients. Okay. And the fourth point we discussed is about division algorithm. Chapter direct content from 3 exercises. And this is what you should study for your first bi-weekly exam. Okay. Leave it the dog. Okay, don't leave. So this is what regarding our first chapter that we teach, which is your second chapter in your textbook. Nirbandhamayidum, you should arrange a textbook. Textbook nirbandhamayidum arrange cheyanado. Textbook illengil endu cheyilla ee parnadile orupaadu doubts ninge varum because nammal questions onnu ezhiyilla exercise number nammal ezhiyitullu alle. If textbook is not available, just take a printout. Chapter 2 inde oru printout. Online copy venda. Mobile PDF copy kittum adu venda. You should have a hard copy of your textbook. Okay. Right. So obviously I'm going to join you. After that you can leave. Thank you. Have a nice day. Rohit, please.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
അപ്പൊ നിങ്ങളുടെ ബൈ വീക്കിലി നെക്സ്റ്റ് വീക്ക് ഉണ്ടാവുള്ളൂ.